It's freezing, but we're at Marc's to get some alkaline vegan foods. Come check it out. They have really good stuff in Marc's. They have stuff that's half of price of other places. So we'll see what we can get in here. Come on. Alright, so we're done at Marc's. I didn't get every alkaline food that they had because I already have food at home, but here's what we got. Some cantaloupe, organic pouch of 2 pounds, I think that was organic apples. We got onions, we got chickpeas, another different type of onions. We got some Roma tomatoes, lime, and that's about it this time. So if you have an idea or a place where you like to shop, where you want to find out what they have that's alkaline, all right, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and comment below where you like to shop for alkaline foods, and we'll try to do a video there if we haven't already. More coming soon. See you in the next one. Have an amazing day on purpose.